I remember when I came here the first time, I came with my daughter. Anthony surprised me. He's not here tonight because he can't make it. He sends his well wishes. So let me just give you a little bit of rundown. My name's June Abbott, as Tony says. I'm from Huddersfield. I came and presented and leaflet drop, I don't know if some of you will remember, Eco-Fresh Community Laundry Hub. Now, many of you would say, well, why do we need a laundry hub, you know? But after leaving here and doing this survey, many people do need a laundry hub to get rid of anxiety, stress, families where they have to take to and fro, they don't have time to get the children prepared. Us women like to do our nails, hairs, and our clothing looking slick. Men like their suits to be done really well. So our mission is to provide a convenient, eco-friendly, and sociable, responsible laundry service to the local communities, far and wide. You know, so anybody that comes in, they might be at a hotel and they may need a suit doing, we can do an express measure on the suit. Eco-Fresh Laundry Hub will offer self-service laundry facilities, full service wash, dry, fold, and other options will be available once up and running. Eco-Fresh Laundry will provide a community service of communication, meeting your community and the extended communities that will require to use the service hub. It will also have extended services that will wrap around the needs of the communities, families, and the individuals. So those services could be anything. Somebody might be coming in and don't know how to fill out a form. They might be wanting housing, sit down with them and speak to them. They might be wanting help with school, we'd sit down and do that as well. They might be wanting help with various different things. They might be wanting food, you know, things like that, that would be need. So I'm just going to, if you just be patient and just come on this journey with me, that I'm going to go on as to where I'm at the moment. So I've got here chance, challenge, change, and deliver. This is for change and to be delivered. This is a journey, and within this journey, I've had to learn to pray, be patient, be grateful, have wisdom, be humble, build on knowledge. I've been mentored. I've had to do research and be thankful of many fruits of the Spirit. That's Galatians 5. I've had to put a plan together by writing the vision and making it play. Now that plan has moved on. It's in a good place, actually. You'll get to know what it is. That's Habakkuk 2, verse 2. And in writing the vision, I've, with Anthony Peltier mentoring me, my family here today being alongside me in my ups and downs, my daughter, when she came, pushing me to, you know, go ahead with this. They've all been a part of this journey, and I thank them for that. The website has had to be built. Phone numbers have had to be put in place. It's had to be registered with the CIC. Bank accounts open. Forms filled out. And in that time, working on my own job. So when we see things go up out there, it's not a quick fix. There's a lot of things going on in the background. And, you know, we all think, oh, yeah, can we get done now? It's not now, it's a journey. And to see how it develops, how it forms, and carry on. Being mentored by Anthony and my daughter, family, who has been an inspiration to me and many others, I've had to network with others, because in Ecclesiastes 4, it says, 2 are better than 1, because they have a good return for their labor. Nobody cannot do this whatever you've got, on your own. We need each other. We need our community. We need people even down Nottingham, as far as Nottingham, London, Sheffield, to know our businesses. So this labour working to job is not in vain. Throughout this journey, I've been tired, and I've had to pray. I've had to pray. Isaiah 40, those who hope on the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagle. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. Sometimes I've been so tired mentally, physically, emotionally. And sometimes you don't even know who to talk to or turn to, you know. So in saying that, I'm still moving forward on this journey. I'm waiting for the next bit or the next step on what to do. Last year, when I was at this point, the Holy Spirit gave me a word called patience. Many of us don't have that. Many of us want it now. Even when you're boiling a kettle, it takes patience to fill that jug, put the water in, put it on, click, wait. You have to be patient. It's a process. And many of us are here today is going to give how we are in our journey and how we're moving forward. And then probably the next minute you'll see, oh, I know that lady. Oh, she's got laundry opened up. It hasn't just come there like that. It's taken hard work, determination. So in saying that, in James 1 it says, for you know that when your faith is tested, and I hope we all have faith, your endurance has a chance to grow. So don't let it grow. So let it grow, for when your endurance is fully developed, you will be perfect, completed, needing nothing. Meaning, don't say I'm going to give up on it. Don't quit. You know, take all the sweat, the tears, go through your storm. Because when you're going through your storm, you are actually learning how to do this. You're actually learning to put it together. You're actually learning how to nurture the people around you and be kind to one another, be nice to one another. Sometimes we can give very harsh words for no reason whatsoever. But if we have to speak to someone, speak to them with love and be firm. So in saying that, Colossians 3 said to clothe ourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience when dealing with others. The plan is in place. The seeds have been planted. 1 Corinthians, verse 3, Galatians 6, 8-9. The hard work is still bringing forth fruits in my old age. So that's in Psalms 92. So like I've said, don't give up. Keep moving on, because the increase will be there, the harvest will be flourishing, and will be blooming like flowers. Thank you.